to recycle our plastic. Okay, plastic. What kind of plastic? It's the plastic, the plastic that store like rice, cooking oil, and then the flour, and then the wash disher, okay, and then the soap, and then all of the plastic that we ever use for our daily needs. Okay, and then why I want to use this kind of plastic, because the quality is very good, and then it can be last long. Yeah, it's unlike like the regular plastic bag that can be easily been broken, but this plastic is very thick. Okay, it's very thick, so we can use it for our replacing the pot. Okay, for replacing to the plants pot. You can see that in here, all of the plants in here, this majority is lemon. Okay, and then I put it in my waste plastic. Okay, rather than I throw it away, so I use it for my own, and then the quality is very good. Yeah, quality is very good, very thick, so I use it for my own needs. Okay, later on I will show you how to convert this plastic, yeah, to become stand like this. Okay, all right. the tools that we need to provide is staples and then the punch hole. Yeah, these two tools needs to be provided. Yeah, needs to be provided to convert the plastic bag to become can be stored as a pot. Okay, this is one of the plastic that already make the hole. Yeah, then this one also, at the bottom here already make it to can be stand, and then this is the hole. You can see that everything in the proper hole is very nice. Some of the YouTuber they also make the hole using their